This is a Jet 2 holiday. Oh, he leaving. He leaving. Oh my God, that's crazy. Look at this nigga. Yo, you crazy, yo. You wildin'. Hey, yo, what you want? You want drugs? Yo, he wildin'. Yo, I left my apartment unlocked. Yo, I'm mad as hell.
Bro, what the are you doing? What the is this? Are you fucking serious? Holy.
You're a fucking idiot, bro.
He may not be a hard-edged, MAGA conservative, but he is conservative. So his voter coalition is going to be comfortable with some of that rhetoric. In Boss case, if I to say that Carney is trying to move offensive.
Big body whip when I pull up outside. No destination, we just finna ride. Roll up a blunt.
So this was a couple years ago in my Model 3. Driving on the freeway 70 miles an hour in auto drive. Semi-truck got into the hammer lane here, kind of pulled alongside of me and forgot I was here. Admittedly caused this accident. You see him kind of swerving, maybe checking his phone, not really sure, but at some point he comes right into me alongside. I didn't even know it was happening, but all of a sudden smashed, kind of spun me out, threw me into the guardrail. Thank God there was no oncoming traffic that could have crashed into me, but bad day. my gosh.
Stopped at the light with Fina and Richards hopping curb, still following.
Attempted pit.
Successful pit.